Good day. My name is Cyril Dardar. For this activity, I will talk about digital technology analysis in hospitality operation. I will explain how a hotel can shift from manual to digital system and how technology trends affect the hospitality workplace. Part A, Scenario-based analysis. Number 1. Identify at least 3 business tools or technologies that can replace the manual processes. Number 1. Business tool technologies. First, online reservation system. This replaces handwritten guest reservation logbooks. Second, mobile workforce. Task management app. This this replaces housekeeping schedule written on whiteboards. Third, point of sale (POS) system integrated with accounting software. This replaces manual recording of sales and financial reports. Number 2, how each tool improves operational efficiency. Online reservation system. It allows guests to book rooms online and updates room ability automatically. This reduces overbooking and save time for front desk staff. Mobile app, task management app. Housekeeping staff receive real-time task updates to mobile devices. Supervisors can track room status easily, improving communication and productivity. POS and accounting system. All restaurant and hotel transactions are recorded automatically. Reports are generated faster and more accurately, helping management monitor revenue and expenses. Number 3, possible challenge and solution. A major challenge is data security and system downtime. This can be addressed by using reliable software providers, secured passwords, regular system backups, and staff training on data protection. Part B, Work Workplace Technology Trends Reflection. Selected technology trend. Automation. Number 1. Explanation of automation. Automation uses technology to perform tasks that were previously done manually, reducing human efforts and errors. Number 2. Example in hospitality. Self-service kiosks in hotels allow guests to check in and check out without waiting at the front desk. Number 3. A pick on future hospitality jobs. Automation will require employees to focus more on customer service, problem solving, and technology use. Some routine tasks may decrease, but new jobs in system management and guest experience will increase.